Hi, this is Stuart Hodge from MicroChannel, taking you through a series of short videos with tips and tricks in using MYOB Advanced. Today's topic is relating to the universal search feature seen at the top of the menu. This is an area often underutilized by users of the system, purely just not knowing the extent of its purpose. Firstly, navigating around the system can be done through using the menus, and of course I can use each module to navigate to a particular area, or I might use favorites as the common areas that I would use day to day. But really the universal search is by far the easiest and fastest way to locate the area within the menu system without having to use the menu. So if I'm using the example of closing periods for accounts payable, then I could type something like close period, and the phrase doesn't need to be exactly as in the menu, but you can see in each module which has a close periods function, I can locate the accounts payable and then choose to use this, and I'll open in a new tab. So that's locating areas within the system that you would normally find through the menu. Second part of the universal search is just locating transactions or master files or profiles as they're referred to. So being able to use that as an example, I'll type in an invoice number, attempting to find that throughout the system, so I don't have to put leading zeros, but I'm typing in an invoice number and pressing return takes me across to not the menu items but to the transactions and profiles screen. So I'll just correct my invoice number, displaying the example I was looking for. Now that can find commonly through an invoice number, but also through descriptions such as monthly description or subscription. As I'm typing, I can press return when I've got enough in there to locate partial words or full words in different sequences to locate the information that I want. So that may be this particular invoice, and so I can see a list of all the different areas across contracts or accounts receivable in this case. So that allows me to see not only by invoice number or description, but possibly customer in locating records quickly. The next element of the universal search is the help. So if I'm looking for, perhaps I'll use that close period example before, and rather than in the menu items or the transactions, I'm going to look under help topics. So this gives me good information, simple enough around the process or explaining the process with additional information underneath that allows me hyperlinks into other areas. So really the help is a starting point to find out further information generally around the process, as far as what fields or drop downs might mean, and as I said, just being able to see the links into other areas that are relevant, or to bring up process screens as in this example. So this takes me to the last purpose of the universal search, which is searching by file. So I'll just close that help file and use the example of the invoice number that we had before, so it's 2487, and going to the files allows me to see all files with that particular number in it, and I can click the link to then be able to access and review that by clicking View Selected Version to get a download of the PDF. So that really wraps up all of the different features within the universal search. I hope you found this useful. Look forward to other videos on tips and tricks within MYOB Advanced. Bye.